So today I'm doing a video on this new truck I got, the Losi 8ight XTE. This is a ready to run 8 scale race or track ready truggy. I'm gonna open it up and check it out, and then take it for a drive and let you know what I think. Alright, so here it is. Check it out. So this truck came partially painted, as you can see here, with clear on the front and the sides. I've painted it black and put the decals on. I think it looks awesome like this. I left the front windshield off so I could see more of that neon green. That's pretty sweet. I do 90-95% bashing. You know, big air sends and just thrashing the truck around, mostly with Creightons and Kagama, things like that. So this is new territory for me to venture into, you know, track ready trucks like this. So I'm a novice when it comes to reviewing this, but it will be a good kind of idea of if you're a basher, if that's what you're doing, but you're considering getting a truck that will run on the track, be lightweight and fast, then this might be the option for you. The reason I picked this, after doing some research, particularly watching RC Driver Online's latest video where he talks about this and the BUGGY, so shout out to him. This guy knows a lot. If you haven't looked him up on YouTube, do so. But he was making the point that this, if you're a basher and you're trying to transition, this is a great truck. It comes ready to run, and most race trucks don't, first of all. So inside you can see that it comes with a 2250 kV spektrum motor and a 130 amp speed control. These are censored, so this is not at all jerky, very smooth on the throttle, and it's also very lightweight compared to what I'm used to, super lightweight. It comes with these racing tires. From what I understand, these are a little hard and slip a lot, so I'll instead be using these Sweeps racing tires that I had, these Truggy tires, and they're a lot softer, so I'm going to switch these out before I drive it today and see how those go. But overall, guys, this is a pretty sweet truck. Has less carbon fiber and metal parts than some of the higher end race kits, but for 680 bucks, ready to run out the door, this is a pretty good deal. It also comes with the DX3 radio. This is a decent radio. It's good. This TLR is really the only other truck that I've used much for racing on the track, other than maybe throwing some Truggy tires on a Crayton and messing around. But so this is all I really have to compare it to. But this is more of a purebred race, track vehicle. So it'll be interesting to see how it handles and how it compares. That's sick.
It's super competitive railroad.
Love it. Nice. Whoa! I flew off of you. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. It's not even hot. 110, 113. All right, so final takeaway is that this truck handled awesome. Super fast, lightweight, easy to handle. Based on what I'm used to, the Typhon TLR, this just blew it away. And it's a clear difference in the style of truck and the build. If you're like me, not a racer, or maybe you've only raced a little bit, or like myself, just run on the track a little bit and been more of a basher, this truck is perfect. I had my local hobby shop set up the ESC a little better for the track. And one other thing that's noteworthy is this battery tray is huge. So my battery only came up to here for a 4-cell battery. So put this foam block in here, which blocks off the end of it. Otherwise that thing would be sliding around. So I don't know why they made it so big, but that's just one thing I noticed. Otherwise, great truck.